Mommy, Daddy, Tio, Fanny.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon! Where's Daddy?
Working.
Sino kasama ni Daddy?
Pendong.
And?
Kuya.
Say hi to Kuya.
Kuya Maron.
Kuya Maron.
Boxing.
Boxing kaya? Paano yung boxing? Sige nga, paano nga? Show mo nga kay Mami paano nag-boxing.
Boxing, Tio. Baby, boxing.
Boxing kayo nila, baby.
Opo. Boxing, baby.
Say hi to Kuya Marion.
Boxing.
Kuya Marion,
baby.
ano daw, watch na daw yung vlog mo. You say hi to Kuya Marion. Shout out mo siya.
Shout out.
Kuya Marion.
Shout out to baby.
Kuya Marion.
To Maron na.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Let's play soon.
Play soon.
Oh, show mo yung jersey mo. Wow, ganda jersey ah.
Nino.
Ano pa? We're going to Starbucks later to meet. Sino pupunta natin sa Starbucks?
Daddy.
No.
Mommy. Nino.
Mm-mm.
Mami, sama din.
Siyempre kasama si Mami. Yan lang na ikaw mag-isa lang.
Mom.
Diba ngayon pa lang kami nag-start ng vlog. Ay, tingnan nyo siya. Oh.
Morning.
It's good afternoon already. It's almost 3.
Morning.
Good morning pa din. Okay.
Mando tayo mo.
Good afternoon, my love.
At you see. Morning.
So, I just woke up. How's your nap? How's your nap? Silly boy. Kaya, late uwi ang daddy ngayon. Kasi, meron siyang check-up. Nagpa-check up na siya kahapon. Pero, kailangan daw niya magpa-MRI. Kasi possible tear daw yung sa legs niya. Pero sana hindi. Fingers crossed. Kaya, sayo mo, get well soon, daddy.
Sound.
Get well soon, daddy.
Sound.
What's that sound? Say get...
Birding. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Oh, meron bird.
Oh, you heard the bird?
I don't see a two meron bird. Labas outside.
Labas, outside.
Opo.
Tas,
Chicken.
tapos ito, kung makakauwi kami ng Tarlac, ipapacheck up ko siya. Kasi yung kulani niya, hindi pa nawawala. Meron siyang kulani dito. Oh. Yan. Ito. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nawawala. At parang, feeling ko meron pa isa. Normal ba yun? Pero, ang ilang check up niya na yan. Pina-check na rin siya for PTB. Negative.
Daddy oxygen na. Daddy oxygen. Mommy oxygen.
Pina-check up na siya before for PTB. Para nga sure kung baka mamay doon nagkakos. Pero wala naman. Wala. Negative. Pero andyan pa din. Wala naman siyang ubo. Wala din siyang sipon.
Mommy.
Hindi rin naman siya
Mommy,
matambay.
cellphone Tio.
Where's your phone? Do you have phone?
Ayun.
This is mine. Where's your phone? You
Bye,
don't-
Daddy.
Oh, ask Daddy to buy your phone. Daddy,
Dad, come back.
come back. Where's Daddy?
Doctor.
He will go to the doctor later, right?
Opo.
Sabi mo, Daddy. Get well soon. Uy, mad siya. Ay, uy, uy, uy. Ooh. Smile. Wow. Si boss. Boss Akio.
Boss Akio.
Are you a boss?
Opo.
Opo. Okay.
Main boy Akio.
Huh?
Main boy.
Big boy?
Opo.
No, baby ka pa.
Tuya. Tuya Akio.
You want to be a kuya?
Opo.
Not yet. Ayaw pa?
Routine.
Ayoko pa ikaw kuya. Come on,
Baby.
I want you to be my baby pa. Not the kuya Akiyo. I want baby Akiyo lang.
Routine Tuya.
Sinong kuya?
Routine.
You want to work?
Daddy ang Tuya. Bento.
Favorite naman. This apple juice.
Bak.
We're on the way home.
Bak. Bak. Bak.
What are you saying?
Bak. Bak.
Bak, 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 bak. Ganon?
Opo.
It's a chicken.
Dak. Ow. Mami.
Mommy needs to pee.
Pipi.
Wee
Like
wee.
baby can die.
I
Like
need to
baby
wee wee.
die. Like baby die.
I don't know. But I need to pee.
Like baby die.
Mommy needs to pee so bad.
Like baby die. Ano gusto po?
Si Boy kulit. Sobrang kulit niya sa Starbucks, guys. Hindi siya nag-behave. Yun yung kinita natin sa Starbucks.
Ito siya. Dus, apple juice.
Oo.
Bang bang.
Who's there? Huh? Who did you meet? Nino.
Nino.
Di ba carry ka ni Nino?
Bye-bye, mommy.
Nagbabay kayo? Iwan mo ako?
Opo. Nusama, mommy.
Ito naman, willing naman siyang iwan si mami niya.
Morning, mommy.
Who's the best?
Mommy, nice to Bandong. Penny.
Wow! Family! Pauwi na po kami. So,
Oh no, stop.
we're on our way home.
Baby.
We're home.
I got.
Pika! Pika!
Oh. Ita. Ita, mama.
Dog!
Ito mo tamba. Tamba? Ba't
Lalo naintindihan. What happened?
Ulo.
Alin?
Pasok, ma'am. So, baby, yes.
Nilaga.
Cliff, on second thought, you take the window seat.
Fresh na ang anak.
Mami,
Show them, show them.
Amu.
Baby, mahulog ka.
Mu.
Look, wow, fresh. Tingnan ni Nanay Haggard. Sa lahat ng fresh na anak Nanay Haggard. Oh, see?
Mama, too.
Init, anak. Moinks. You play na. Play ka. Aray. Baby, ouchie. Play ka na muna. Anak ko, sutil. Go there. Go play. What's wrong? Sana okay lang si Daddy. Sana okay yung resulta niya. Sabi 2 to 3 days pa daw lang eh. Pero, napapacheck na siya eh. Bawal yata phone slow kaya hindi siya nag-update. 30 to 40 minutes daw.
So, Cardinal MRI. MRI. Ang bagal mag-book. Sama kita sa vlog.
Senior card ko.
Laro lang siya. Mamaya pa itong matutulog eh. Hindi ko alam kung maabutan pa niya si daddy niya. Wala pa ang daddy eh. Kailangan pa rin daw siya pumunta ng Arshaga after.
Paano this? Paano?
I see. Di ba you know how to do this na?
Daddy,
There you go. Later pa si daddy anak eh. He's still in the hospital eh.
Ayos.
Ayos.
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
I never see.
Kapoy na si Mang. Wow! Ganda ng house ni Ate. Show them! Show them! Show them your house! Ngayon ginawa niyang house. Show daw niya kay Daddy. Don't break it, baby. We will show it to Daddy pa, di ba? Hintay namin ng Daddy. Sana maaga siya makauwi. Pero medyo 8 na eh. Sana mabilis lang para maabutan niya pa. Hindi kayo siya. Ang cute, di ba? Ay, nako. Nag-request na naman ng Paw Patrol.
Wow.
You like Paw Patrol?
Opo.
Oh, who are those? What are their names? Chase, Marshall, and
Double.
Rubble!
What was yun?
Who's that? Marshall. Sit down, ka na. Sit down, baby. Sit down properly, baby. Norin ko muna habang nintay ang daddy. Dance, dance. Yeah. Psst. Uy. Kanina dancing ka, di ba? Paano? Good night, people.
Bye, people.
Good night,
Bye-bye,
guys.
chicks.
Bye-bye, chicks.
chicks.
Bye. Say
Good
good night, guys. Good night, guys.
night, guys. Sleep.
Are you going to sleep now?
Oh,
Are you sleepy?
Opo. No sleep, Tio.
No sleeping. I love you.
No sleep, Mommy, Daddy.
I love you.
No sleep, Ma, no sleep.
What do you mean? Mommy needs to sleep.
Play young.
Play lang.
Play. Daddy game.
You want to play?
Opo.
But it's time to sleep.
Mom, play.
What do you mean play?
Ma, no sleep.
No sleeping.
Opo. See, Mommy.
I love you so much. Mommy loves you so much. What do you mean good morning? It's good evening. It's good night.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's already nighttime. Oh. Ba. Uy. Oh.
Moon.
Can you make the angry face?
No.
Angry face. Angry face. Angry face.
Face.
Yes. Do this. Okay, do this. Gotcha. Angry. Oh my God. Mad face. Mad.
Ma, no say it.
What?
No say it.
I cannot say mad.
Madumi, hi. Hi, me.
Hi,
Me,
guys.
no, Tio.
You're sleepy?
No sleep, Tio. No sleep. Daddy, Mommy, Tio. Raining.
How about Bentong? I thought Bentong is our family too.
Medyo raining.
Say it again, Mommy.
Daddy, Mantong, Bang, Bang.
Say bye-bye. Goodbye, guys.
No.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
No.
I love you guys. Say I love you guys. Mwah.